In today's video we are showing you in real time how we repurpose packaging supplies whenever we receive new stock. Rather than throwing everything out, we make a conscious effort to reuse and repurpose as much as possible. Here we have some really large sheets of bubble wrap, from MDF and camphor boards. With these sheets, we remove any tape or paper stuck to the wrap, then slice them into more manageable strips. These strips are cut to fit our various sized measuring jugs, color pigments and other more fragile accessories. We then use these strips of bubble wrap to wrap and pack all your fragile goodies before shipping them off. We are going to speed up the video now. If only we could cut and move this quickly. We hope you have enjoyed learning a bit about our order packing process and the bubble wrap cutting ASMR.